Unraveling the phrase, give me the details. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you've probably heard or used yourself. Give me the details. Understanding this phrase is crucial for mastering English communication, especially in professional and casual conversations. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some practical examples to help you use it confidently in your daily interactions. Give me the details is a request for more information or a deeper explanation about a specific topic, event, or situation. When someone uses this phrase, they are asking for a comprehensive and clear description that includes all the necessary and relevant points. It's a way to express interest and a desire to fully understand what's being discussed. This phrase can be used in various contexts. In professional settings, when discussing projects, reports, or any work-related matters, you might ask your colleagues to give me the details to ensure you have all the information needed to proceed. In personal conversations, when catching up with friends or family, using this phrase shows your interest in hearing more about their experiences or stories. In educational environments, students may request additional information from their teachers by saying, "Give me the details," to grasp complex topics more thoroughly. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be seamlessly integrated into conversations. At work, I heard you completed the project ahead of schedule. Give me the details on how you managed to do that. With friends, you mentioned your trip to Paris. Give me the details. What places did you visit? In a classroom, this topic seems complex. Can you give me the details on how this theory applies in real life? While "give me the details" is a straightforward request, its tone can significantly impact how it's perceived. Here are a few tips to ensure your request is always received well. Politeness matters. Adding "please" can make your request sound more polite and friendly. E.g., "Could you please give me the details?" Be mindful of the context. In formal situations or with people you're not very familiar with, consider using a softer approach, such as, "Would you mind providing more details?" Give me the details is more than just a phrase. It's a tool for effective communication, signaling your engagement and desire to understand fully. Whether you're in a meeting, chatting with friends, or learning something new, knowing how to use and respond to this request can enhance your conversations and connections. We hope this video helps you master its use. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips in our next video.